So why Maximo for Transportation? Because it's built specifically to help you manage fleets of vehicles. So a lot of different industries that fall under transportation, we're going from local bus routes, we're going from college campuses. Heck, you might have a golf course and you're just trying to manage your golf carts. It could be rail, it could be a nationwide trucking company. And there are some things that they all share, and that is you are typically expecting zero downtime from your vehicle on the road. And that's critically important. You probably have multiple repair depots, and so making sure that you have the right parts in each of your repair depots is also critically important. On top of that, there are going to be some type of regulations that you're dealing with. They might just be purely insurance implied. They might be a result of DOT, either state or federal regulatory compliances that you're falling under. And you're going to need to be able to manage your assets to ensure that they're meeting those. And then when we actually look at the maintenance and repair on those vehicles, well, how are we doing that? Are we operating based upon I think it needs maintenance or it broke down? Are we preventive? Are we time-based, frequency-based, or are we condition-based? And what does it take to get to a predictive maintenance methodology against our fleet? So the Maximo application suite is the right place to make this happen. And the tool sets are built in, the ability to track our routes, to understand what vehicles are operating in what routes and which repair depots are on those routes. What is our inventory on hand? What is the inventory required to operate each vehicle? What are technicians certified to do, so that we ensure that we are in compliance with all of not only our federal and state regulatory requirements, but we're in compliance with any of our insurance requirements as well, keeping us safe for everyone who's involved in the process while keeping our assets operating as we expect them to operate. A lot of times there's a question in there of going, well, wow, that sounds like a lot. I bet that cost a lot. You know what? It may, but it probably costs you less to do it right than it does to do what you're doing today if you're not doing it right. And how do we find out? We go through a business value assessment with you. We understand what your processes and practices are. We understand what your real core streamlined process needs to be. We focus on that. More often than not, you're going to see a 2 to 3x return on investment within the first year by making the move and getting up to speed with a modern app and modern practices and processes so that you can get to a predictive posture. Love to hear your thoughts and comments below.